It's another day and we're gonna get our workout in. Just give me 1 second while I get my stretching thing all set up. I always start my workout with stretching, so, and you guys should too. At least 10 minutes of it. That way you can just relax, get your mind right, clear your mind. You shouldn't come into the gym all like you're gonna kill somebody, because this is supposed to be your time. So take time to just relax, get your mind right, and then stretch those bodies, stretch those muscles. It just helps out, you know. Let's see what are we gonna work out today. Probably the same thing every day. So I haven't missed days. I wanna talk about my schedule for gym. I come 7 days a week, 2 hours a day. I don't miss days unless I have to. So I believe that's what it takes. Somebody might tell you that, oh, you know, you can come like every other day and all that shit. It doesn't work. You have to be very, very consistent with your gymming. So let me stretch out real quick and then we'll go to the next machine. I want to take the time to show you my check-ins for November. So I haven't missed a day in November. I only missed 1 day in October. And September, I missed a few days because of Costa Rica. But while I was in Costa Rica, I still went to the gym. So I'm just showing you, and this is August. I haven't missed no days in August, so I come every day. That's what it takes, every day. If you can go to the job that you don't like for 5 days a week, you can definitely come to a gym, minimum 5 days a week, because your health is your wealth. And I don't want you to forget that, because your job, they're not loyal to you. When they want to get rid of you, they'll get rid of you. But your health, that stays with you the rest of your life. Got a quick question for you guys. How many of you been hitting the gym and you haven't got the body you wanted? And you watch all these fitness models, you know, show you off their workout, and you try it and it doesn't work for you. It's funny because I come to the gym every day and a lot of times I see people set up their cameras, their iPhones, and then show off their workout, and they only do like a couple sets and then they post it. And then this is where the Instagram versus reality kick in. And then you guys watch it. Ouch! I almost twisted my ankle on that one. And then you guys watch it and you're like, that's what I need to do to get that body you want. And I'm here to tell you that that ain't gonna work, man. It's a numbers game. You gotta come every day. You gotta make sure what you eat. And you gotta come ready to work. And you gotta sacrifice a lot of things that we call fun, which is going out, partying, drinking alcohol, because that doesn't work. You tell me a world where you can go out every day, party, eat what you want, and still be successful. I don't think so. I think when you're young, it's fun. I was guilty of it. I partied every weekend. I spent so much money. But in the end, I think it's just something you gotta do, get out of your system. So the quicker you can get out of your system, the better. Some people never get it out of their system. They pretty much become professional partiers all their life, and then they wonder why, you know, they're not where they wanna be. And as the years go by, they start aging, because alcohol ages you. Eating like crap ages you. And then you spend all this money in nightlife scene and party scene and concert scenes that you don't have money to really invest, and And then life happens, right? You probably lose your job, and then now you feel like you're at zero again. And I've been there, man. I've been at zero. I've been at zero many times, and that's why I'm trying to tell you, if I can share some wisdom and give you my knowledge, is just to, I guess, I'm not saying don't live your life, but just know that that lifestyle is unsustainable. And I'm telling you right now, it's unsustainable, because as you get older, you're gonna watch your friends become more successful, the ones that have been taking care of business, been doing the work, putting the time, and you're gonna see the separation, and that's gonna make you more depressed. So we can't help to compare each other, right? And one thing is not doing what you're supposed to do. And depression is real. And depression, especially in this day and age of social media, comparing ourselves to others, it's something we gotta think about, something we gotta be careful about.